So I got a great YouTube question from Kenneth King about finding employees at companies for your LinkedIn marketing, and wanted to run through a few scenarios depending on what interface you're faced with on LinkedIn. So if I open up my Sales Navigator and I want to find the decision makers at a specific company using this route, I'll show you what my interface looks like. Yours might be different, and if that's the case, we'll look at some workarounds. So if I put in my targeting, and let's say I want to target decision makers at banking companies in Melbourne that work at banking companies that are doing between, let's say, $5 and $50 million. I click in add. You'll see I got 4 results here. Click search. It's going to bring up those 4 companies that meet that criteria. You'll see that I have an option here, view employees. If I click on that, I can then look at the employees inside this company and see who the potential decision makers are. So I can come down here, put in my title, look for the specific role that I'm after, CEO, manager, department manager, director, whatever it is, and filter down from the 378 employees. Now, if your interface is different, what you can do is you can go back to your list of businesses that have been brought up. So if I go to Judo Bank, type in Judo Bank, I find the company in the search bar. So this is a bit of a workaround scenario. And I can click on the company, and you'll see here 373 employees that work here. So I can click on that, and that'll bring up the 377. It's brought up here. And then I can use my filters again to find the title that I'm looking for if I scroll down. So that's how I can find who I'm looking for as a bit of a workaround. The other option is if I go back and I go to people, which you can see the people tab down here, click on that. Scroll down, you'll see it has 203 decision makers, which I can click on. That'll open up my 203 results back in Sales Navigator. And again, I can do my due diligence to see who I'm looking for, search by titles, have a look at their profile, and then execute my LinkedIn marketing strategy. So hopefully that gave a couple of workaround scenarios. If you have a different interface, I can only show what's from the interface that I have on my LinkedIn account. But if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure you subscribe. We try and put new LinkedIn strategies out to help you grow your business every single week. If you have a comment, put it below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible.